Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope all of you fine. Okay. Now, welcome to KRL Memorial CBSE School, Mudod. I am your English teacher. My name is Geeta Mantu. This is the first standard class and English subject. Okay. Come to the point. In previous class, we discussing about the plants. Okay, one of the great scientist whose name is J.C. Bose. He proved by his experiment plants is also sleep at night and feel sad and happy. Okay, today we learn the remaining lesson. What he did prove. Okay, now all of you open your textbook. All of you open your textbook. I hope all of you open your textbook. Page number 31. Page number 30. Okay, page number 30. Lesson. Which lesson? Third. Name plants. Okay. In previous class, half of the lesson we discussed. In remaining lesson, we continue in this class. Okay. First, we know the difficult words. First one is soil. Second one is move. Third one is pen. Fourth one is strange. Okay. Next, fifth one is flesh. What is the meaning of flesh? Sixth one is hunt. Next, seventh one is insects. Next, trap. Next one is tiny animals. You know the tiny animals? Okay, you know tiny animals and insects. Okay, 10 one is kill. 11th one is flesh eating. Flesh eating plants. Okay, those are all difficult words in this poem, in this lesson. Okay. Next, we continue the lesson. Okay. Next, we start the lesson. Mother. He proved that plants eat and drink like us. They drink water by their roots. They breathe through their leaves. They get their food from the soil. They eat, drink and feel like us. Only they don't move like us. See here. In the last class, Roji questioned to her mom. How interesting. What else did he prove in this lesson? In this time, mother told to answer to her daughter. Her name was Rosie. He proved that plants eat and drink like us. All plants are eat and drink water. He proved. Who proved? J.C. Bose. They drink water by their roots. All plants are drink water by their roots. and they breathe through their leaves. We are breathe our noise, but plants are breathe through their leaves. They get their food from the soil. All plants are get their food from the soil. They eat, drink and feel like us. Those are all plants are eat, drink and feel also. Only they don't move like us. Plants are don't move like us. Only stay one place. Okay. Now we know the plants. What he proved about the plants. Now Rosie, thank you mom. You have told me so much about plants. I shall never give them pain. I shall always love them and take care of them. Next, Rosie thanks to her mom. Hi, you have told me so much about plants. Her mom told to Rosie so much about the plants. I shall never give them pain. In the next, I shall never give them pain, and I shall always love to plants and take care of them. Okay, next, mother. Yes, that's like a good child. Now I shall tell you a very strange things about plants. Next, her mother was told to Rosie and appreciate to her. That's like a good girl. Rosie, good girl. Next, now I shall tell you a very strange things about plants. Next, her mother was told to Rosie. Now I tell you a very strange plants. Rosie, tell me mom. Rosie said to her mom, tell me mom. Mother, some plants eat flesh. Here, flesh means mamsa. Okay. They hunt for their food. They catch insects and eat them. Hunt means bait. And insects means ಕೀಟಗಳು. You know the insects? I hope all are know the insects. Okay. First, her mom told to Rosie, some plants eat flesh. Some of the plants eat flesh. Flesh means mamsa. Some of the plants eat flesh. They hunt for their food. They hunt for their food. They catch insects and eat them. They catch insects. They are that plants or catch insects for eat them. Rosie, really? She questioned to her mom. Really? Okay, mother. Yes, it is true. These plants trap insects and other tiny animals. They kill them for their food. Her mother was answered to Rosie. Yes, it's true. It is true. These plants trap insects. Trap means ballet. Are you see the traps? Okay, some of the sea traps. Here, these plants trap insects. These plants trap insects and other tiny animals. Tiny animals means small animals. Tiny animals. Tiny animals. Tiny animals means small animals. Okay. These plants trap insects and other tiny animals. They kill them for their food. These plants kill them for their food. Next, the pitcher plant, the sundew and the Venus flytrap are flesh-eating plants. See here, this is the Venus flytrap and this is the pitcher plant and this is the sundew plant. These are all plants or flesh-eating plants. Okay. These are all plants eat the flesh and hunt for their food and catch insects. Now, next, Rosie. Now, we know the flesh. We know the flesh-eating plants. Okay, next, Rosie. Mom, I never knew so much about plants. Thank you for telling me these interesting things. Now, Rosie thanks to her mom. Why? She never knew so much. She never knew so much about plants. Now she know the so much of about plants. So much about plants. Thank you for telling me these interesting things. Thank you for telling me. These are all interesting things. Okay, mother. Rosie, let's go in now. Your papa is calling. He knows a lot about plants. He will tell you how these plants catch insects. Next, Rosie mother was told to her, Rosie, let's go in now. Now you let's go. Your papa is calling. Your papa is calling. He knows the lot about plants. He is also know the lot about plants. He will tell you how these plants catch insects. Her papa tell to her how these plants catch insects. Next, Rosie. Yes, mom, I will ask him all about it. Rosie said to her mom, yes, mom, I will ask him all about it. Now, this lesson was completed. In the Okay, now we learn the most of the plants. Some of the plants eat and drink water. Some of the plants eat flesh eating plants. Okay, now we know the flesh eating plants. Okay, now I will give you a homework. Homework. Okay. Open your textbook 38, page number 38. Complete in this puzzle. Okay. Okay. Thank you on and all. Okay, we will meet the next class.